All right. Um, this is a big milestone for my game, The Inducted. I've been sort of building out the foundation for my item and power-up system. It's pretty much working fully end to end, just from a systems perspective. Um, so while enemies aren't dropping items just yet, I can already I can spawn pickups, run over them, correctly apply effects to my character. Could be things like healing, movement speed, damage boosts. All of those effects are handled through a centralized system. Uh, the really exciting part is that everything is data driven, which means I can add new items. I can tweak the balance. I can expand the system without rewriting the core logic. A lot of that's driven through data tables, just adding new rows. I'll show you that. uh, so I'll show you how that's defined, how they're hooked into the player. Jump into a little bit of gameplay. I did want to kind of showcase these Niagara visual effects that I'm using. I didn't build these. I don't do um, Niagara effects. This is from uh, uh, VAP1, just a unique power-ups pack that I got from the Fab store. All the logic I've done myself. So this data table pickups, right now I have five different pickups, and I'll show you a few of these. But this is what I was talking about, just how scalable this is. I can give it a display name, a health orb, you know, um, the icon if I need to use that somewhere, what that visual effect looks like. So there's a pickup visual effect. I'll just navigate to that and show you. uh, so this is what that would be pointing to, this health um, Niagara effect particle system. Uh, the pickup sound effects. Yeah, the effect type. This is an instant one. So I went through and added everything, to think I would need either now or at some point in the future. Something like instant effects, like kill instant, mana instant, stuff, effects that are over time. Heal on kill if I want some sort of vampiric aura or vampiric ability to something, heal myself based on kills or have custom logic based on that effect type. What the trigger type is, in this case, I was working on pickups, so that would be the trigger type. I picked up an item, so I want to apply this effect. So I added a bunch of different trigger types as well. Just the magnitude, which is essentially, is it going to be a percentage or a flat? In this case, 35 for on hill. I don't have the stackable logic yet, but I did um, include. Yeah, that's more on the run upgrades here, so I'll get to that in a minute. But right now, a lot of these effects are stackable. All right, to show you what I have right now, like I said, enemies aren't dropping these items, um, but I can drop a. Let me navigate to my items here. Items. Actors. So my BP pickup base here. I'm just going to drag this into the world. Um, so right here, my pickup row handle, I'm pointing to that data table pickups, and I just select a row name, damage boost, haste, health orb, mana orb, and shock aura. They're the five I have right now. So I'll go ahead and just make that a haste. So to show what that looks like when I play test here. Look at that. Look how cool that is. That just it brings a lot of life. It's starting to look like yeah, an actual game at this point. Have sound effects here. Mana, damage scaling here. And here's my haste. See, it increases my speed a little bit. But like I said, these stack, so be a little speed demon here for a minute. Just run laps around these guys. And there's a timer handle for each of these pickups as well that are running simultaneously, so I'll start slowing down here. Uh, Looks like I'm at a normal running speed now, so they all progressively just dropped off after 10 seconds. Uh, but yeah, that's what I have so far. Next steps, we're going to be, having enemies have a certain drop chance based on, well, this drop weight here I could set for each of these item types. So I'll work that into my logic for drop chances on enemies. That'll be one of the big things I work on. I have min wave here. Um, so for example, if I have like a legendary item, I don't necessarily want to drop that on wave 1. I don't want to drop it any earlier than wave 5, let's say. I could put that in here. But that's going to be kind of my next step of this thing is getting enemies to drop items. But once I'm done with these, these pickup items, I'm going to move on to these call them run upgrades. Or if you, let's say after each wave, you can pick one item to upgrade on a character. That could be passive items. Could be things that enhance your uh, ability cooldowns, which I guess that'd be passive. Um, but I have a few ideas you can kind of see I'm working through right here. Crit chances, permanent move speeds, those sort of things. So yeah, it's really starting to come together. I'm excited.